Peace, this is Nicole of Pure Essence Beauty, and in this video I will be preparing my vegan mock chicken curry chicken meal. So stay tuned while I show you. I marinated my vegan chicken because you have to marinate it really well because it's tasteless. It doesn't have any flavor. So I started out by marinating my vegan chicken with curry, garlic, thyme, ginger. I also put sea salt, and I marinated it for about 6 hours, stirred it around, and I added more thyme to it. Remember, marinating is very important when you're going vegan because it's very flavorless. The vegetarian chicken has no flavor. I also use poultry seasoning and, like I said, garlic and ginger too to add that extra boost of flavor. So I marinated it. Actually, I marinated it twice to get that flavor in, because the first time I tried it, it had no flavor. So this time I said I was going to pound on the herbs, garlic and ginger. And just a side note, poultry seasoning is not made with any animal fat or any animal products. It's just poultry herbs. And so these are all the rest of the ingredients that I'll be using for my dinner. I'm using curry, Himalayan sea salt, of course coconut milk. You have to use coconut milk. And again, that's the second time around marinating my vegan chicken mix. And I also added cinnamon also. Carrots and ginger. I cut up all kind of fruits and fruits. And of course a Scotch bonnet pepper, plantains, lemon to balance out the flavor. And I'm going to be using my wok, my electric wok. And I'll start by using olive oil. Listen to the sizzle. The sizzle is the best part, and the aroma that comes out of this is just amazing. And I slowly added curry seasoning, the Himalayan salt, and also sea salt, and stirred. So stay tuned. So now it's time for the potatoes to go in. So I'll start adding in my veggies now and letting it marinate around and with the oils, the seasoning, and also the Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic and ginger. I also have some chili peppers in there to add a little heat to it because I like my curry to be very spicy. I just love spicy foods, and I've just been craving spicy foods lately. Next in goes the carrots. The potatoes got a little al dente, which the way I wanted it. So now I added the carrots to it, and I'm going to stir that around and then complete the finished product by adding more ingredients as I go along. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this. It tastes so good. Of course, you have to add coconut milk. Curry chicken or curry meal would not be complete without coconut milk. Next is the curry powder. I like to add a lot of curry powder because I love curry. The more curry, the better. Of course, I added a little water so it can simmer down. And after, I'm just going to stir it around a little bit and add the lid and let it marinate for a while and boil down so it can thicken. Of course, I'm adding more seasoning because, again, like I said, the vegan chicken is very bland, so you have to really add a lot of flavor. And of course, I cannot make curry without adding Saison by Goya. That's my favorite seasoning I add to everything. Finally, it's time to add my marinated mock chicken to my potato and veggie mixture. This is going to be delicious. I mean, you can't even tell the difference. Seriously, you cannot tell the difference. So I covered it and cooked it for another 30 minutes. And I'm going to just add some lemon to it. Add a little acid, balance it out. Balance the flavor. You can also use lime. I usually use lime, but I didn't have any more lime left. But you can still use lemon. Again, another staple seasoning you should have in your cabinet, and that's adobo by Goya. Flavor is amazing and makes everything taste delicious. And I'm just going to continue to stir. So stay tuned. It's thickening up. It's almost done. So next I'm getting started on my red cabbage. I love red cabbage. It's delicious. I added garlic, ginger, and a few other spices. While that's cooking, I'm going to prepare my plantains. And I just slice my plantains. I let them get really soft and I slice them in angles. And just prep them up and get them ready to fry them. I'm going to try a raw plantain recipe next, but this one, I'm frying this one, so we're going to eat some fried plantains tonight, which is a treat because I went 20 days raw vegan. Yes, 20 days raw vegan, so this is my feast. I hope you enjoy watching my video of how I prepare my vegan curry chicken. Please try it. It's amazing. The taste is so delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up.